Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Jay. I'm a developer advocate at NVIDIA, where I focus on building LLM application. And today, I'm really excited to talk to you about how to build agentic workflows by harnessing the power of NVIDIA GPUs. So let's start with a quick timeline. We have had single call LLMs for a while now, where you send one prompt and get completion back. In 2024, it was RAG, where you basically do vector stored lookups to pull in up-to-date information. And this year, it's the year of agents, where you stitch multiple LLM calls, tool invocations, and reasoning loops into fully autonomous processes. But the true power of this new paradigm is realized when agents work together. Think of an enterprise ecosystem where there are multiple departments which have their own agents. So in this, but to build these kind of multi-agent system, like for enterprise level, like it's really difficult building this kind of workflows. You might face many challenges, which could be architectural complexity, making different tools from different frameworks work together, and there's also problem with the performance and the reliability. And to solve this problem and to manage these systems, earlier this year, we open sourced a framework or toolkit called as Nemo Agent Toolkit, and it is designed to be the glue for your existing agent workflow. And it does that by using universal descriptors. So what it does is it basically converts every tool, agent, or memory into a function call. And you can piece this function call together, whether it's LangChain, Llama Index, or something that you have built yourself. So let's take a quick demo about how to build these GPU-accelerated multi-agentic framework. So in this case, imagine there's an enterprise with multiple teams, and those multiple teams have their own agentic workflows built with different frameworks. So in this case, there are 3 agents: HR, finance, and IT. And these are built with different agentic frameworks with their specific or relevant knowledge bases for their specific departments. So we are combining these all 3 agents and controlling them using a supervisor agent, which is built with LangGraph in this case. And this all pipeline is built using Nemo Agent Toolkit, which is open source. And this all pipeline is monitored using Phoenix, Arise Phoenix, which is an open source observability tool. And the RAG tool, in this case, is completely GPU accelerated. Vector database is being run on Milvus, which is open source and supported by NVIDIA. Then there's LLM and embedding models are also running on GPUs. Specifically on NIM, so it's basically a containerized solution to deploy open source LLMs and embedding models with just a single command. And in order to piece those workflow, you have to simply configure a YAML file where you basically mention all the tools that you have access to. And this is too verbose, but what I'm trying to run here is basically running the entire pipeline by giving it a prompt about, hey, what's the parental leave policy? And once the workflow runs, the supervisor agent recognizes this is an HR query and redirects it to the HR agent, giving you the final response. And on the right, it is Phoenix, which is basically tracing the every step of the interaction with this agentic workflow. So this is it. So the future of complex AI isn't just a single agent, but it's multi-agent working together. And Nemo Agent Toolkit helps you achieve that. And the GPU acceleration is what makes this all real time. So if you like to learn more about what tools we offer and want to stay up to date, feel free to scan this QR code and join the developer program. That's it. Thank you, everyone, for listening.